Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to get free ringtones for any Verizon phone. Now, as you may know, if you've tried to get free ringtones off the internet, it is very hard for Verizon because Verizon, I mean, they just had enough of it and they just canceled all that, you know? I mean, they went, "Hey, they're getting ringtones for free and we're not, I mean, they're not even paying." So I mean, they cracked down hard. So first, what you'll need is you'll need an email and a Verizon phone with, get it now, and I already have it brought up, but you'll need to go to mytinyphone.com, and it's over there in the side. I have a little link. And let's just do a song, Blame It by T-Pain and Jamie Foxx, and it will come up and you'll pick the first one, usually with the most views, and once it's up you will go to Save to PC, right there, Save to PC, and it should pop up and you save it to your computer, and you'll save it as whatever you want. But I already have that saved to my computer, and it will go under music. Usually you can make a folder. I made my folder as ringtones under music, and you exit out of that, and once it's saved to your computer and your file, you go to AOL or whatever email you have, and you sign in, and then you compose an email. And this is where you need to pay attention, because this is the most important part. You'll need to type in your phone number, and you'll need to type in your area code, your phone number, then at VZWPIX.com.
We'll have another link,
and we'll put an example in the side over there. And once you have that, you attach a file, and it automatically pops up, and you find your ringtone folder or wherever you saved it, and you click on it. And once you click on it, here I'll just use one that I haven't sent to my phone yet. And once it's attached, you just send. And it'll take a little while. And once you get your message, you just once you get your message and it starts playing automatically, once you open the message, you just click options and save as ringtone, and it goes directly to your ringtones on your phone.
And again, this is for Verizon phones.
Yeah, Verizon only. I mean, if you don't have Verizon, it's very easy to get free ringtones, because I mean,
it's not Verizon.
Yeah, and so and I'll wait a second until I get my ringtone, my message, which should be
any second now. Yeah, this is wasting my time.
Actually, it is here. It's connecting. You gotta let it connect first. It's receiving the message.
You can't read this on the video right now because it's very low quality. You can see blurbs on the screen, but you might not be able to see what it's saying. It says receiving message with a loading bar. That's what it should show if you have a Verizon phone.
And I got the message, and you click view now, and it will instantly start playing. And then you just hit options, and you can't see it, but you just go where it says save as ringtone and click and press OK. And then you just click ringtone set, and there you have it. That's all you have to do. I hope you enjoy those ringtones, and this is Mr. Flamer.
Yep. Enjoy your ringtones.